Good afternoon, sir. Sir, you have mentioned kanina yung regarding sa 5 minutes na travel time. So are you saying na yung 5 minutes ay going to Makati is using the Skyway and not EDSA?
Well, point to point ang pinag-usapan natin, di ba? Makati to Quezon City. So if you're asking me kung kaya yan, yes, kaya. 5 minutes from Makati to Quezon City.
Pero sir, yung promise ni President na Cubao to Makati kasi we're
ganun din yan. Quezon City is Cubao.
Yeah,
Cubao
but
din
we're thinking na it's using EDSA. So this time,
Hindi naman niya sinabi na through EDSA. I don't think
Okay.
the President just said, Makati to Cubao, 5 minutes.
So
Siyempre,
kasi ang perception before, ang presumption was using EDSA. So this time, it's through Skyway talaga. Yun yung clarification.
well, luluwag. Pag natapos na yung Skyway, luluwag din ng EDSA. So, it's possible also. Ang
So,
point
yung
ko,
5 minutes
ang
ay-
importante lang, wag na tayo mag-focus sa mga malit na detalye. Ang importante lang, sa term ni President, madidecongest natin ng EDSA. At yung 5 minutes from Cubao to Makati, posible po.
But
At
sir,
magagawa
yung
natin.
EDSA kasi, that's a major thoroughfare.
Yes.
Tapos, kung sa Skyway, we're expecting na there will be toll fee.
Yes.
So, syempre, mas preferred ng tao yung walang toll fee. So, kaya yung 5 minutes na pinag-uusapan, so, hindi siya EDSA, Skyway na siya.
Pwede rin EDSA, pwede rin Skyway. Kasi remember, hindi naman lahat ng may mga tao na willing magbayad. 'Di ba? Meron naman syempre may konting toll, but at the same time, pag nagkaroon ng 100,000 a day sa Skyway, luluwag din ng EDSA. So, maaari po, magiging syempre hindi ko naman ma-predict exactly kung ano mangyayari. But ang importante lang yung 5 minutes. Kung yung 15 minutes from Makati to Quezon to NLEX kaya, definitely yung 5 minutes kayang-kaya din yan.
So regarding the toll fee, so although hindi kayo I think part kayo ng if ever na magde-decide kung magkano yung toll fee, how much yung ina-expect natin dito sa bagong Skyway?
Hindi pa naman finalize yung toll fee, but more or less, as a guide, we can expect more or less about 4 to 5 pesos per kilometer magiging toll fee.